Good morning. I'm Saket Kumar and I'm presenting on behalf of Group ID 15. My other teammates are Rajveer Singh and Priyanshu Tyagi. We have worked on this project under the supervision of Professor Avnash Kumar Sharma. Our project is named Phyto Détente, as the name suggests. Phyto, that stands for plants, Détente, that stands for detection. Now before we proceed further, I'd like to enlighten you about our project. We have made a CNN model that is compatible enough to detect the sugarcane diseases using Python and will also provide organic solution for these diseases. In the current scenario, we have just considered 10 diseases. The slides will be comprising of introduction, literature survey, proposed work, result, future scope, conclusion, and references. We use machine learning technique where we have made our machine compatible enough to distinguish these diseases from one another precisely. It's a step-by-step process where the first step includes feeding the machine with the required images that we want to train it on, and based on that training we'll be able to find a precise and accurate detection of a plant disease. We'll be using certain feature extraction methods which would ensure a better accuracy. We'll be splitting our data in two, that is, training and testing, which will be in the ratio of 80:20. The reason why we opted for sugarcane is the economic stability that it holds in the agriculture sector. As you could see it on the screen as well, the influence that it has on the agriculture sector. Here are those diseases which our machine will be able to detect, named red rot, wilt, grassy shoot, smuff, leaf scald, red stripe, mosaic, poker rust, yellow leaf. We would also like to mention the proposed work of our project. It will help distinguish these diseases better and precisely produce an accuracy that will lead to better solution to opt for in the near future, which will in turn lead to better quality of the sugar canes and financial growth of the producers. Our project will be an absolute solution for the sugarcane diseases. Here is a glimpse of the output that will be shown to the user. This is the output that the machine will return after training those images and testing those images and finally producing its prediction. I would also like to mention some future scopes. We are planning on making it available as a mobile application for users to make it user friendly and provide instant response. This will also help reach more and more people due to its intelligence. At last, I'd like to conclude that our project will be low cost and could be easily used by our farmers. This will be a great initiative towards organic farming, which will in turn increase production of sugarcane. Here are the references that we have opted for a project and the paperwork, as you can see it on the screen.